Let's go over number 5 of the SOA exam sample questions for exam P. So this is another Venn diagram question, but it looks more complicated than it actually is. The trick is that in this Venn diagram question, you basically there's going to be 3 circles, and even though you can have young or old, male or female, married or single, each one of these are going to be 1 circle. You just basically have to choose a side. Uh, so you're not going to make a circle for both young or old. You're just going to make a circle for either young or either old. So in this case, the question is asking us how many of the company's policyholders are young, female, and single. So, okay, I'm going to underline all 3 of these. And I'm going to make 1 circle for each of these. So, 1 is for Y. One is for S. And this one is going to be female. So, in this question, what we want to find is this little shaded area right here in the middle. So let's first kind of figure out our circle. It's actually a pretty quick question too. So we know that there are 1,400 young married persons. So that means this portion that I am shading this way diagonally from the triple intersection. So this double intersection between young and female right here is what we're going to calculate really quickly. So we know there are 1,400 young married persons. And then we know that 600 of those are going to be young married males. So in order to find how many young married females, it's just going to be 1,400 minus 600, which is equal to 800. So let us kind of redo this circle just to make it a little bit easier to see. So we know that, okay, so 1,400 are young married persons minus just the males from there. So that means there are 800 young married females. Because remember, we're not counting, these people are married, so they don't belong in the intersection with singles. So this is just going to be 800 here. Okay. Now we know that there are 3,000 young people, but we also know, okay, so there's 3,000 young people, but there are 1,320 young males. So writing up here, how many young females do we have? 3,000 minus 1,320 is equal to 1,680. So these are young females. So this is young female married, and this is young females. So now all we want to do is find out the young female and single here. So we're just going to take 1,680 minus 800. It's going to equal 880, which is option D. And that's our answer. Please leave a like if you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment. Thanks.